In this video, I will teach you how to create a new Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to create a new Gmail account, what you can do is you can go to the search bar at the top of your Chrome profile and you can type Gmail account. Once you do that, it's going to give you a link to sign into your Google Gmail account. It's going to assume you have one. Click this one. Now, once you click this to sign in, it's going to ask you to sign in your email. But because we don't have an email, we're going to click on create account. And you're going to choose whichever one works for you. And it's going to take you to the next steps and you're going to create a new account. Now, aside that, if you already have a Gmail account and you'd like to create an account from this profile, what you can do is you can click on this icon here and you can go to add account, and it's going to take you through the same process of adding and creating an account. And that's how you create an account in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.